Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw Fidelity investments. First, determine the type of account you are withdrawing from, as rules vary for retirement versus non-retirement accounts. Next, consider the tax implications, especially for pre-tax contributions. You'll need to link a bank account for electronic funds transfer, which is often the quickest method. Finally, navigate to the Transfers and Withdrawals section on the Fidelity website or app to begin your request. When withdrawing funds, you have several options. The most common is an electronic funds transfer, or EFT, directly to your linked bank account, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Alternatively, you can request a physical check be mailed to your address, though this takes longer. For retirement accounts, you might consider a direct rollover to another qualified plan to avoid immediate taxes and penalties. Always check for any minimum withdrawal requirements. Understanding the tax implications of your withdrawals is crucial. Funds withdrawn from pre-tax retirement accounts, like a traditional IRA or 401(k), are generally considered taxable income. If you are under 59 and 1/2 years old, an additional 10% early withdrawal penalty may apply, unless an exception is met. Roth account withdrawals, however, are typically tax-free if certain conditions are met. Always consult a tax professional for specific advice. To initiate a withdrawal, first log into your Fidelity account on their website or mobile app. Locate the Transfers and Withdrawals menu option. From there, select the specific account you wish to withdraw from and enter the desired amount. You will then confirm the destination for your funds, usually your linked bank account. Review all details carefully before submitting your request to ensure accuracy and avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.